Yes, this is a dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes, ready? Start. Honorable members, whereas many social welfare programs were in existence for the past several decades, they had failed to produce the desired impact. The alertness, action-oriented approach and good intentions displayed by my government towards the aspirations and difficulties of citizens have made it possible to bring about large-scale visible changes. While giving a clear majority to my government in 2014, the people of the country had also given a clear mandate to take strict action against corruption and black money. My government has come down heavily on corruption in the past 4.5 years. Being sensitive to public sentiment, my government has waged a war against corruption and black money from day one and approved the constitution of a special investigation team on black money in the very first meeting of the cabinet. Thereafter, the government enacted a new and strict law on black money. My government also carried out a campaign against illegally acquired assets in foreign countries. New agreements were signed with several countries to rectify shortcomings in the existing agreements. While preventing the flow of black money abroad, my government also launched a major campaign against black money within the country. New laws were enacted for sectors thriving on black money, and those were brought under the ambit of taxation. Amid these actions, the government also provided an opportunity to voluntarily disclose unaccounted income and wealth. Demonetization was a defining moment in the government's war against corruption and black money. This decision struck at the very root of the parallel economy thriving on black money, and the money outside the formal system was brought within the ambit of nation's economy. The action of the government broke the back of the forces destabilizing the country and the systems sustaining the flow of black money. The registration of 3,38,000 shell companies responsible for flow of black money have been cancelled by the government. The directors of these companies have also been prohibited from holding such offices in future. As a result of the policies of my government, black money in real estate sector has declined substantially and the prices of houses have come down, and the dream of a middle class family for possessing their own house is being realized. Friends, I am pleased to inform that on account of these policies of my government, people's trust in the government has increased and there has been a sharp increase in the number of people paying income tax. Today, the taxpayer is confident that each penny contributed by him or her is being spent honestly on nation building. In order to build a strong nation, it is imperative that we develop our economy in such a way that will help our fellow citizens to progress with transparency. Prior to 2014, auction of coal mines used to be a subject of discussion due to lack of transparency. My government developed a transparent system for auction of coal mines and has protected this national resource. Stop and over.